One beautiful day, the gods and goddesses gathered in heaven for a dinner party.
We sure made the weather great this day.
I prefer when it's raining. I love rain.
Maybe you made the weather great today, but I started a tornado on Japan.
Japan has wonderful flowers this time of year. I made those.
They do
also
have those.
hear that it rains a lot there.
Their music and the scent of their wine drifted down, down, down to the flower fruit mountain, where flowers bloomed year-round and fruits hung heavy with nectar, and monkeys frolicked under the watchful eye of the magical Monkey King. Legend had it that long ago, long before almost any monkey could remember, the Monkey King was born of a rock. When his eyes first opened, they flashed rays of light deep into the sky. All of heaven took notice.
What the?
Soon after, he purged Flower Fruit Mountain of the lion spirit that had haunted it for centuries. Monkeys from all over the world flocked to his new kingdom. The Monkey King ruled with a firm but gentle hand.
Play nice!
He spent his days studying the arts of kung fu. He quickly mastered thousands of minor disciplines, as well as the 4 major heavenly disciplines, prerequisites to immortality.
Discipline 1, fist like lightning. Discipline 2, thunderous foot. Discipline 3, heavenly senses.
Ooh, a dinner party! My dear subjects, I must take leave of you tonight, for there's a very important party I must attend to.
Discipline 4, cloud as steed.
The Monkey King rode his cloud steed all the way to heaven.
Hey, which way to the dinner party?
The Monkey King waited in line for what seemed like an eternity. He fidgeted this way and that. Monkeys just aren't very good at waiting, but forced himself to stay in line. All the while, he thought about how much he liked dinner parties. By the time the Monkey King arrived at the front gate, he was beside himself with anticipation.
Announcing the arrival of the great goddess of rain!
Ahem. Pardon me, sir. Might you step this way for a moment?
Oh, I'm sorry. You may announce that I am the Monkey King of Flower Fruit Mountain.
Oh, yes, yes. I apologize profusely, sir, but I'm afraid I cannot let you in. You haven't any shoes.
But there must be some mistake. I am the sovereign ruler of Flower Fruit Mountain, where the flowers bloom year-round and the fruits hang heavy with nectar. Thousands of subjects pledge loyalty to me.
Good for you, sir. Good for you. Now, if you'll kindly step this way.
You do not understand. I too am a deity. I am a committed disciple of the arts of Kung Fu, and I have mastered the 4 major heavenly disciplines, prerequisites of immortality.
That's wonderful, sir. Absolutely wonderful. Now, please, if you'd step this way.
I demand to be led into this dinner party.
Look, you may be a king. You may even be a deity, but you are still a monkey. Have a good evening, sir. Announcing the goddess of Hey!
Get out, monkey!
Monkey King was thoroughly embarrassed. He was so embarrassed, in fact, that he almost left without saying a word. But on second thought, he decided that perhaps saying one word would make him feel better.
Die!
The Monkey King couldn't stop shaking as he descended on Flower Fruit Mountain. When he entered his royal chamber, the thick smell of monkey fur greeted him. He'd never noticed it before. He stayed awake for the rest of the night, thinking of ways to get rid of it.